Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at how to use MediaPipe for image classification. MediaPipe is a really powerful and lightweight framework that makes it simple to run machine learning models in real time. We will start by setting up the environment, load the pre-trained classification model, and then run it on a sample images to see how it predicts categories. So let's start with our demo. You can see it's a very short code. We'll take this image, this Shih Tzu image, and as a result we would like to classify what is in the image. So we will start with the installation part. I explain how to create a conda environment and install all the relevant Python libraries. As I mentioned earlier, it will be based on MediaPipe. And then we will move to this code. I will explain step by step. Basically, it will be 2 steps, and we will create a classifier that can detect and basically classify this Shih Tzu dog in the test image. So let's run the demo and we will see the result. And as you can see here on the header of the image, the category name is a Shih Tzu, and this is the score prediction 67%. So basically we will cover all the code and the installation for using the MediaPipe object classification model. So let's start the installation part. So let's start with the installation. As always, I will leave a link in the video description for the code and for the installation instructions. So this is our installation instructions. Basically, it's composed of 2 parts. One is creating a fresh and new environment, and then we will install all the relevant Python libraries. And after that, it's essential to choose one of the pre-trained model, and we will go to this site and download the relevant model. So let's open an Anaconda prompt. This will be our Anaconda prompt, and let's create a new Python environment. As you can see, it will be named MediaPipe 3.11, and this indicates Python 3.11. So we are creating a new Python environment. This will be our custom name. Of course, you can choose your own name, and it will be based on Python 3.11. Great. Now let's activate this new environment. Activate MediaPipe 3.11. So as you can see here, this is now our current environment. Let's clear. And let's now install the free Python libraries. The first one, it will be NumPy. It's really important to use this specific version. I know it's not the last version, but MediaPipe 0.10.21, which is now the last version, requires that the NumPy will be 1.26.4. So use this specific version. Now let's install the OpenCV. Once again, I'm using this specific version. If you would like to get the same results, please choose the same one. Now let's wait a few more seconds. It will download the OpenCV Python and install it. It's finished. Now let's go to the last one, which is MediaPipe. Let's copy it and install. So this one will install more Python libraries. So as you can see, it's downloading all the relevant required Python libraries. And let's wait a few more seconds until it will finish. So we finished the installation here. Now let's go back to our install.txt file and let's copy this model list website, and let's go to our browser And here you can see there is the EfficientNet Lite 0 and the EfficientNet Lite 2. In our tutorial we will use this one, the EfficientNet Lite 0. I will also leave a link here, so this is the link directly to the predicted weights model. So let's download it. Just click and it will download in a few seconds, and after that don't forget to copy the file to your custom folder. I will copy it to my temporary models file, and now let's continue to the coding part. So let's start coding. First of all, let's generate and create a new Python file. Let's name it image classifier with MediaPipe.py. Now let's choose our new Conda environment. So we will click Ctrl Shift and P and then look for the environment. You can see it's the last one. And next we will start coding. First of all, we will start importing OpenCV and NumPy, and next we will load our image. So this would be our image. This is the Shih Tzu dog. Feel free to replace this with your own image path so you can test it on your own data. Of course, this image will be part of the code of this video. So let's load the image. Use the OpenCV functions like I'm read to load it and I'm show to display it. And then let's run the code and just a sanity check that we are seeing this Shih Tzu dog. Now it's the fun part. So we will use the MediaPipe library, and it will give us an access for machine learning models for vision tasks. So we will first import the necessary libraries. We will pull the main Python API from MediaPipe task and then specify the vision module which has image classification. Now it's time to set our classifier. The base options tells MediaPipe which model to use. In this case it will be the EfficientNet Lite 0. So we will give the full path for the model that we have already downloaded. Now let's create our classifier. With the image classifier options, we configure how many results to return. Here I'm asking for the top 4 prediction. Now we create the classifier objects. This loads the model into memory so we can use it. Let's run the inference. This step classifies the image and returns the predictions. From the results, I'll grab the top category. This usually means the class with the highest confidence score. And we will extract the class name, which is a human readable label, and grab the confidence score, round it to 2 decimals so it looks clean. Let's print the class name and to the console and also the confidence score, and let's run it. And as you can see, it's a Shih Tzu with a 67% of confidence. Now I will combine the class and the score into one string for easy display later. Let's make a copy of the original image before we draw on it. And we will keep a clean copy. As always, it's a good practice. And now let's define the color of the text in a BGR format, which in our case it will be red. Let's choose the font size. The font size will be 2, the thickness will be 3 as well. And let's override the classification result onto the image. We will use the put text for that, and after that let's display the result. So display the original image and the one with the prediction results. Let's run it. Now as you can see, this is the category name. I think I will fix it. Let's change the The size, let's make it a little bit smaller to the value of 2, and let's also change the name of the font. It will be Hershey Plan, and let's run it again. Now it's a good result. As you can see, it's a Shih with a 67%. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You are most welcome to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.